This video is for perfect efficiency air conditioning. My name is Galia, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. So if by the end of this video you liked what you heard, shoot me a message back and we can chat. If not, it's okay with me. So now let me show 3 things that will set your company above your competition. The first thing I want to go over is content. Google loves content, so on your homepage you have more than 1500 words on your site, and also pictures are saved with the correct way, and you have a right keywords also. The second thing I want to say, it's a citation. So if you come to the Google here, we can see there's Google ad, Google guaranteed ads. Then we can see the normal ads that we used to see, and here we can see the MacPack. So what is citation is essentially your business name, address, and phone number listed in various directories all throughout the web. It's basically, to put it simply, yellow pages, Facebook, LinkedIn, any of those places online that allow business owners to add their business details and services within their would be considered like a directory or business directory listing. And in order to rank high on these maps here, you need to make sure that you are looking at your competition's directory listing and seeing what they are currently being listed in, and you want to try to go out and get yourself sit in there as well. But you just don't want to put stop what they putting. You want to add a little bit more, so that way you are completely dominating them in that space, and that will help you rank well here in the search. Now we already covered content and citation. Last thing I want to cover is backlinks, and so that has a lot to do with this organic section down here. And as we go here, we can see this like Yelp and expertise, home advisors. So these are a lot of big national companies that are taking up the top of the page. Way backlinks work, all it means is that there is a website out there that has a link to your website, and that link to your website could potentially bring some traffic from that other website. So backlinks are not always created equal. So if you have, for example, an ice cream shop that had sent you a link, you did some work for them and you did a good job and they send you a link, but their whole website's all about ice cream shops and ice cream stuff. It's not going to do it as much good for you as, let's say, another HVAC company. A lot more effective when you have a relative site linking to you. That's going to be a little bit more powerful because it's more unique and relevant to your industry. So looking at these tools here is called Ahrefs. It's not 100% accurate, but it's one of these companies that buys data from Google, and so it gives me an idea of what's working well for you and what's working well for your competition as well. I can see here you have 10 referring domains. That gives you 146 backlinks, and you getting found for 8 keywords, and out of those keywords you have 0 traffic. So just to show you the picture of your competitors here, see they have 716 referring domains that give them more than 3,000 backlinks, and which is getting them found for more than 26,000 keywords, and out of those keywords they are getting more than 26,000 people on average on their site each month. So it's very doable to boost these numbers, and we specialize in this. And so that's pretty much it. I had it, and I hope this video has been educational for you. If you would like to know more how NYC marketers can help grow your business online, please give me a call and we can chat. If not, no worries. Enjoy the free tips I've given today. If you could just give me some feedback on this video and let me know how I did. Thanks again, and you have a great day.